Good morning. Are you here for your appointment? You seem to be a few minutes early. Wonderful. Just have a seat over here and I'll get to you in a few minutes. I just need to make sure I have all of the right tools. Do you need anything to eat or drink? Gotcha. If you do need something, just ask. The same thing applies for during the appointment too. Okay, you can come on back. Now, according to your charts, you come in every month for a tune-up. And it's for your right leg, left arm, and your heart. Am I correct? Good. Have you felt any pain since your last visit? Good. First, I'm going to check your arm. Please, rest it straight on the table. How have you been lately? Last time you were here, you mentioned getting a job as a bodyguard. I'm glad that it's going well for you. Have you had to find anyone yet? I see. I was merely wondering where all of these dents in your arm and leg came from. I'm sure the other guy also has dents, just not ones that are as easily repairable. I've been doing great. Just got in a new shipment of bronze pistons and gears. They'll be used with the automatons the mayor ordered. Apparently, his entire automaton staff broke down and he's in need of a new one. He's paying me quite the pretty penny for the replacements. I'll be able to afford rent for the next few months. Anyways, as for your arm, nothing seems broken. A few gear chains came loose, so I fixed those. And now it just needs some oil. Alright, now that that's fixed up, please put your leg up on the table. And make sure to lay it out straight. Are you still feeling comfortable? Do you need anything? Okay. Remember, you can ask me for anything, at any time. I want you to be comfortable. Now, let's take a look at your leg. Oh my lord. How are you still walking? What do you mean you don't know? It's a mangled mess in here. Springs have fallen out of alignment, gear chains are loose, and there's rust. Rust! Didn't you use that care kit I gave you? No? What do you mean no? Jeez. The better question is, how is your arm in relatively good condition while your leg is a complete mess? Sorry. I'm sorry. I shouldn't be yelling. I just want you to be okay. Listen, your leg needs upkeep. The parts can rust and break easily. And what if that happened while you were protecting your client? Just promise me you'll do better about taking care of yourself. Thank you. Now, first I need to take care of this rust. Luckily, some of the parts are salvageable, but the rest will need to be chucked. Alright, I managed to get the rust off the walls and the bottom of the leg casing. The gears and chains were okay, but the springs had to be thrown away. I do have the same kind of springs in stock, so it'll only take me a few minutes to get this mess sorted out. Okay, last thing to check is your heart. You'll have to take off your shirt. I'm not blushing. Whatever gave you that idea? I know I checked your heart last time, I just never get used to this. It feels wrong somehow. I mean, we're not dating or married, and I'm technically not your doctor. I never want you to feel taken advantage of by me. I've heard of other mechanics doing that, and it makes me sick. I'm glad you feel comfortable and secure around me. Just know that I would never do anything like that to you. For now, let's get your heart checked. Everything looks good so far. Do you feel any pain? Good. You should feel a slight tingling sensation in your chest. If it does become painful, tell me immediately. Nothing seems to be rusted, and the springs only seem to be a little bit loose. I'll just tighten those really quick. It feels weird, huh? I'm not surprised. This clockwork is what's keeping you alive. And according to the schematics I have on file, you have veins, vessels, and cardiac veins running through here. It's a good thing they're all tucked away in these special casings. Alright, I'm all done. Let me just put away my tools and wash my hands, and then we can look over the bill. Alright, it looks like today's grand total is 12 silver cogs. I didn't have to replace too many pieces, and the rest wasn't too bad either. Thank you. Say, would you like to have lunch or dinner with me sometime? I know a really good place not too far from here. Wonderful. You already have my contact info, so we can make plans whenever you have free time. You have a good day as well. And be careful. I don't want you to be a mangled mess the next time we meet. That would be pretty bad. I'm so glad I met them.